I honestly didn't know what I was in for in the beginning. I was just excited about it. I had done the DSD residency, and I learned about the concept and what it was about, but I never learned how to implement it in practice. So I was hoping that I would get that, but it was so much more than that. It was more. They talked about clinical stuff, hands-on things. They basically take you from the process of how to smile a design in 2D and 3D, and how to motivate your patients and create that value for your patients to get a more confident smile for themselves. The whole course was amazing. We got to learn a lot about cosmetic dentistry, about making beautiful, facially driven smiles, and how to motivate your patients to be able to deliver these smiles to them. I'm definitely going to be using the app, and I plan on using it on most of my patients just to give them an option to see what the possibility is with this app and what they can look like. And I think that's great. So I'm going to be using it on a daily basis. I'm going to try to at least do a 2D design and show each one of my patients what they can look like.